Hi guys, Austin from Mytee here to talk to you about lubricating our new vinyl Cuff-Lynx. Now the solid vinyl construction is fantastic because the added flexibility prevents cracking as well as adds an extra airtight seal so that you won't have any loss of suction. Now the added fit though does make them a little more snug. So before you get to using them, you're going to need to make sure that you lubricate them properly to prevent them from uncuffing on the reel instead of swiveling the way that they're supposed to. So what I need to do is when I have my new Cuff-Lynx, simply take them and squeeze them so that I can expose the swivel there a little bit. Just enough for me to fit my WD-40 in here. And I want to work that in there just enough. And start to work the swivel around. And you'll notice pretty much immediately that there'll be a pretty significant difference. You can wipe the excess off here once you get it worked in there. Now you'll notice that the swivel is much easier, so you can put these back together once you have the other side done, and you should be able to swivel them, any which way you want without them uncuffing. So now you guys are ready to get out there and get cleaning.